nei mātou I tau whenua, uki noa, nā tau karere he.
Princess Leia? True, yeah.
Naera, what have you done? Better not have. You wait, I'll get you.
Nola, catch me if you can.
You wait till I see you, pig.
Nola, is that you?
Naera! Naera! Come on, Naera! Stop playing! This isn't funny! Naera, please! We have to go!
We have to go.
Tohia ki te wai no tū. Tēnei te mahia kino, tairoria. Mōhiotia koe ki te a koe, tairoria. Whakarere ia tēnei kō tiro, tairoria. Haere ki ngā here tawhiti, tairoria. Haere ki tōu tipuranga mai, tairoria. Haere ki tōu nohanga, tairoria. Hori pūtō huarere I konei, tairoria. Ina te ahi nā wai, te ahi nā mahuika. I hihiri, I hahana, I mura kāpurarawa te peke. Te ahi kai runga, te ahi kai raro, te ahi waga toro noa.
Nola, feel like a bit of a smoke?
I've got one.
Or something a bit stronger than that?
Yeah, why not?
Good.
I like what I see.
Yeah, right. It's just the smoke talking. Hey, thanks for that.
Whoa. Let's just finish off the smoke.
No, I had enough.
Hey, I said let's finish off the smoke.
And I said I had enough.
You know the trouble with you, Nola? Is you're a teaser.
Only now I think it's time you pay up. Come here.
Come here!
Come here!
Bitch!
aha te aha. Me pe hea koia. E ngaro puka noi ho.
Kāre te wairua tōta māhine e nohoni o mātou tipuna. Kei te ao mārama tunu ia.
Ne. Kei whia ke ia e koro.
Mō hio koe, e ai ki o tātou tipuna. He kai chaki rātau, ngā patu pai arehe, mō ngā ngahere. He haututu, he kaha. Wai o tiai he omaki mō rātau, hei para i te huarahi, ā puta noi tō rātau riu.
Hei tāu, kōrero ke a Naera i ngā patu pai rehe.
Tērā ia te tahi, wairua kārawa e ārai mai nei āhau. He momo wairua no rātau anake, no e rahanga.
No. I have to find her. I won't give up until I do.
Kia tūpato. Be careful, e ratu. You can go and look for her, but you won't find what you can't see. Kia māharahara ki tō whānau i nei e nei. Ki reira ke tō aroha me tō manaaki.
Shit. Coming.
God, you look like hell. My little bird not getting her beauty sleep, huh?
I haven't got the rent, Trevor.
Little bit chirps, but alas, she chirps the wrong tune. Looks like you're still finding money for grog.
Just give me a couple more days.
Nola. Gave you a couple of days and a couple more after that and a couple more after that. But if you truly only need a couple more days, you know what to do.
I'm lost in this world of make-believe. It's time to go. It's time to leave. The voice inside me, it's too strong, calling me home, where I belong. Why is this happening to me? I feel so wrong. It's not meant to be. I think it's time to leave for eternity. For eternity. For eternity.
Time to fly, Nola. Time to fly the coop.
Nola. Nola. Don't do it. Please.
Naera?
I need you. I need your help. Come to me.
Naera? Naera? Naera! See ya.
You found me.
No way! This isn't happening. You're not real?
Of course I am, silly. I told you. I've been waiting for you. I've missed you.
They would have been so happy to see you. Naera, what happened to you?
Let's leave this place.
Not exactly like back home, is it?
No.
You know, I'm sorry about what happened.
I'm not.
It's not much, but it's home.
Why do you live here?
Because it's my home.
No, it's not. It's a bad place.
Naera, it's been 16 years and you haven't aged a day. Don't you think I deserve some kind of explanation? Shit. What are you doing here?
Certainly way to greet your favourite landlord. Come about the rent, of course.
It's not a good time.
Means, of course, you need another couple of days, in which case I'm sure we can...
No, it's not. It's not that. It's just... It's that time of the month, you know? Maybe in a while, eh?
Yeah. Oh. I'll see you soon, Nola. Looking forward to it already.
Hey, bitch! You remember me?
Don't look at them.
Yeah, you remember me. Your ass is mine, bitch!
Piss off before I have to do your face over again.
You'll keep. You'll keep. Come on, boy, faster! Now that's the way you're trying to take that cool. Come on! I'm like that, bro. Shit! Boys, the car's on fire. Boys, wake up! Open up! Boys, get up! Get up! Get up! The car's on fire!
Dad blamed me for your disappearance. When he finally accepted that you were gone, he just gave up. And I moved to the city to make a go of my life. What a joke. I sleep with the landlord to pay the rent and I clean toilets for a living. My life's shit. And I've prayed every day that things could be different.
It can be different, Nola.
Who are you?
I'm Naera, your sister. I love you, Nola. And I want you to go to a better place where we can be together forever.
Forever? Yeah, right. Maybe that shit works for you, sis. But around here, I'm still trying to figure out how to pay the rent.
Thought you said it was your time of the month.
You believe everything you hear, Trevor?
You know, Nola, I am really beginning to enjoy this arrangement.
Naera, what's going on? Naera, what happened?
They think you did it
Why me?
because they all saw you do it.
What have you done?
Set you free.
Oh, shit! Naera, what the hell are you doing? Get down from there!
It's time to leave, Nola.
Naera, please get down. Look, don't be silly.
Come with me, Nola.
Open up, it's the police!
Please get down.
No more pain, Nola.
We know you're in there!
Come with me, Nola. I love you.
Love you.
Hey, wake up, sleepyhead. We've got to go. I was looking for you. You were useless at it. You fell asleep.
Kia te re kōrua. We better go before it gets dark.
Painting your faces, eh?
At least it'll keep the patupaere here away.
Thank you, Matupari.
I'm lost in this world of make-believe. It's time to go. It's time to leave. The voice inside me, it's too strong, calling me home, where I belong. Why is this happening?